Hi there. So today I will be telling you how you can convert your idea into reality. Okay. So you have an idea in your mind and you know it's very good and it can work for you. And you have this burning desire, for this idea to come along, but you are not acting on that. Okay. So today I'll be telling you three key steps that you can take to start and to work on your idea and become profitable. Okay. So these are the first key steps, because I understand that there are many people who ask me from where to start, how to start, what to do, how to do, and there are a lot of hows in the mind. So I will tell you the three key steps that you can take today. Okay, that you can take today, and you can work on them and come back with uh, with speed. Okay, so now let me share my screen with you quickly. So all of you can see my screen. Type yes in the comments box if you can see my screen so that I can start sharing. So, how you can turn your desire to your reality, meaning that you have an idea in your mind and you want to turn it into reality. It's for people who have this idea and they haven't yet began. So, I have many people, who want to be stand-up comedians, or many people who have this idea but they're not doing anything about it. So, these are the three key steps which you can do just today to get started. Okay. So, the first step, okay, I have broken into three steps. So, first step is that you need to have a desire. Okay. So you will ask me, what kind of a desire should I have? It is your desire. Okay. It is something that you want. Okay. And it has to be in the present. It has, if suppose if you have a very old idea in your mind and you don't have any energy around it, but now you have evolved over the period of time and you have something new in your mind which is pulling you more energetically. So, okay. So that is the kind of desire I'm talking about. So this new desire, okay, or if it is an old desire but it still pulls you in the direction, so have this desire. You need to have this desire. So your next question could be that it's this desire is not burning enough for me, it is not pulling me back. Okay. But if you are feeling for it and if you feel that you in the longer run you can go for a long time in that, and you can keep doing it continuously and stick with that. So how you can make your desire burning enough, okay, is that, like, what you can do is you have to write your desire. So today itself, write your desire in the very raw form, whatever it is. Just write your desire. It could be like, I want to be a stand-up comedian, or it could be I want to write a book. Okay. You want to become a best-selling author. So start with that, I want to become a best-selling author. Okay. uh, Dream big, dream as much as you want to. Write your desire, because that's what's going to pull you. Maybe it's like, I want to become a crorepati in 1 year, like that. So write your desire. All right. Write your desire on a piece of paper. That is very, very important. Okay. So first step, write your desire, and then next is look at it daily and read it loud. Don't take these steps lightly. Read it daily and read it out loud. Okay. The next step is, how you can make it burning enough is, after you do this activity, okay, ask yourself what is the purpose behind it and write it down. So what is the purpose? The why behind your desire is very important. If you don't have a why, no problem, you can still get there. Okay. But if you have a why, and if you come up with a why, maybe not today but maybe next day, if you come up with a why, you have that sense of why, you write it down. You write the purpose behind your desire. Maybe it's like you want to experience abundance in your life, or maybe it's like you want to help your family members through that desire. It can be anything which is relevant to you, and it has to be your unique thing. Okay. The next and the last step is that connect with your purpose daily. Connect with your purpose daily and connect with your desire daily and read it out loud. Okay. So this is the first step that you can take. Okay. Even before you start, this is where you have to start from. Okay. And you will know that in time how pulling that can be. I have applied these things on my life, and this is where magic happens, really. Okay. So first step, let me tell you again. The first step is that you need to have a desire. What if it's not burning enough? You have to write it. Okay. Because we get habitual of putting down our own desires, and because of that self talk, the desires are not burning enough. Because the moment we desire something, something inside us tells us, oh, that cannot happen, and quickly, we throw water on anything that we want to do. Okay, so write it daily, read it out loud daily, find the purpose behind it and write it and connect with your purpose daily. And it only takes you 2 minutes just to read out your desire and to read your purpose behind it and to connect with that, just to connect on a soul level. Okay, so this is step one. Next step, let me come to the next step now. Okay, so the next step is that you need to take a decision. Now, what kind of decision I'm talking about here? The decision I'm talking about here is that once you set your desire, once you set your intention, and when you start connecting with this, okay, you need to take a decision. Okay, without decision, nothing is going to happen. You need to decide what? You need to decide that you are going to work towards it. That's the only strong decision you have to take. That, okay, I have done my first step. Now I will work on it. Now I will pay attention to it. Okay, that's the only thing you need to do. Okay, so the step two is you need to take a decision. Decide that you will act in the direction of your desire. Okay, I'm not saying that if you are in a job and suddenly you want to become, you want to get out of your job. I'm not saying that quit your job. I'm saying that you will start working towards your desire. You're not going to, hide it somewhere. You're not going to push it away. You are going to act steady in the direction of your desire. Okay, that's very important. A decision is important. Then the next is you don't need to know everything at once. So then what will happen is when you take that decision, suddenly there will be a stream of thoughts coming to your mind. How, what, when? I don't know everything. I don't have all the information. Of course you don't have all the information. Okay, of course, with everybody that's the case. Nobody is born a genius. Okay, so definitely you will not need to know everything once. So this I have put because I want to affirm with you that you don't need to know everything at once. Okay, and then the third thing to tell yourself is that whatever inspired action comes from you from within. Okay, see, one thing is logical actions and one thing is an inspired action that comes from within you, from you, telling you, okay, do this. Okay, so that's the step two, that you have to take inspired action in the beginning. Okay, so it could be anything which comes to you in your in the direction of your desire. So take inspired action, and that is the decision you are going to take. The decision you will take is that I will act in the direction of the desire, and then I don't need to know everything. And the inspired thought that's come, the decision is that I will act on it. Okay, I will act on it. I will not going to push it any further, right? And the step three is that you need to keep your self agreement. Once you decide, okay, and you get that inspired action and you decide to act on it, you need to break that action into 3 or 5 steps, and you need to work on it, and you need to keep that self agreement. Okay, so act on your action plan. So now you have an inspired action, you write it into 3 action steps, and then you act on the first action step. I'm asking you to act on that first action step on that same day, period. There is no choice now. Okay, you have to act on that action step on the very first day when you do these 3 steps, and it is very easy. This whole exercise should take you just 30 minutes. Okay, if you take a long time, just break this whole exercise and do it. Now what you can do is, like, you can take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot of this mind map. Okay, and step by step you complete these 3 steps in 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes you act on number 1 step and type yes if you're going to do it. I want to hear yes from each of you who are watching this video. Type yes if you will do it. Okay, so once you watch this video, 30 minutes spend on this whole steps, and once you finish after 30 minutes, act on the number 1 step that you got. You have to act and you have to comment with done. Okay, type done when you will comment, when you have done that, and definitely I am there for you. You can ask me any questions and you can learn from me. Okay, bye bye for now. I really enjoyed this session. Bye.